This video is for the girlies who also get overwhelmed by the never-ending to-do list that is life. Today we're tackling my kitchen, but in an easy-peasy reset sort of way. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Nan. I also like going by my nickname, Chupa Chup, like the lollipop. I live in a duplex and I started renovating the other side last year. Imagine my surprise when I found old mice droppings over there, which brought up old memories of a mice infestation during my childhood. Luckily, I haven't seen any signs of mice over on this side, but this does feel like a sign from the universe that I need to add pest prevention to my to-do list. As an ADHDer with chronic pain, extreme deep cleans are just not for me. We're just gonna do 3 things that I think are simple tasks that make a big impact. And quick shout out to Tomcat for sponsoring this video. Okay, simple task number 1. Trash. I'm gonna go through my kitchen and throw away anything that belongs in the trash. Probably mostly expired food. I have a really bad habit of buying food and forgetting about it, which is why I don't go to the grocery store that much anymore. This is probably going to take me the longest out of my list. The time is 5:06. Let's get started. My first crime, this calendar is from 2025. So all of these have gone bad. Katie came over here and knocked that box over. It's 7:37, so that took me about 2 hours. I did take like a 30-minute break and I filled up an entire trash bag of trash that was just sitting around in my kitchen, which is low-key embarrassing, but it really shows the tangible difference that 2 hours can make. I also found some snacks that expired like a month ago. Fun fact, I used to volunteer in food insecurity, and that taught me that most unopened shelf-stable foods actually last a year after the expiration date, so I will be eating these. I know it doesn't look like it, but I do try not to waste food. It's just been a really rough year and we don't cook as much as we used to, which I'm sure a lot of people can relate to. Simple task number 2, pest prevention. I'll be using the Press and Set mousetrap and rodent repellent. Okie dokie, it is currently 6:06. So that only took me like 15 minutes and will save me a ton of trouble in the future. Alright, simple task number 3, moving stuff. I'm not reorganizing, I'm just gonna put things back where they belong. And the time is 4:27. It is 4:58, so it's been about 30 minutes. Not too bad, that was actually way faster than I expected. Sometimes you just need to get up and moving and then that will motivate you more. Like, I'm looking at the dishes and I'm like, you know what? I might as well do them right now. I hope this video shows that you don't have to do everything. You can just do some little things that go a long way. It's not perfect by any means, but I can see the physical difference in the before and after. The less space taking up my trash, less visual clutter, and pest prevention will all make a positive impact on our mental health and make our lives a little easier. Thank you, Tomcat, for sponsoring this video and helping show people how to protect their home. And thank you to my subscribers who inspire me every day to not give up and at least try to do the little things.